Alright, let me humble myself real quick, because I know I'm not the only one who's ever done this. You ever be in the shower, shampoo everywhere, looking like a busted snowman, and your phone dings, and suddenly you're half slipping, half ninja running out the shower like, who texted me? Is it important? Did somebody die? Yeah, that was literally my life. One notification, and boom, I was activated like a smoke alarm. I was that person who texted back faster than Amazon Prime delivers. My time, free. My energy, unlimited. My self-worth, apparently tied to how fast I could type LOL. Yeah, sure. I became everyone's emotional vending machine. Press a button, get instant attention. But here's the plot twist. The moment I stopped replying instantly, everything changed. It felt illegal at first, like I was breaking some unspoken rule. But quiet withdrawal. It's the silent power move nobody prepares you for. If you want people to finally respect your time, your energy, your peace, stick with me, because this story is going to hit home. So let's talk about how we got here. Psychology calls it approval seeking, but in normal English, it just means we're scared of disappointing people. We reply fast because silence feels dangerous. We say yes because we don't want to be too much trouble. We overgive because deep down, we want to feel needed. But here's the uncomfortable truth nobody tells you. When you're always available, people stop valuing your availability. When your time is cheap to you, it becomes cheap to them. When your energy is endless, people treat it like drive-through service. Think about your favorite dessert. If you could buy it at a gas station for $1, would you treat it the same? Probably not. That's exactly how people act when your presence is always on sale. The first step out of this trap is simple but life-changing. You are not their emergency hotline. You are not required to respond the second your phone buzzes. Here's where everything shifts. You begin practicing the pause. A reaction is emotional, rushed, and usually ends with you thinking, why did I say that? Again. A response, though, that comes from calm. So when your brain screams answer now, you do the opposite. You pause. You breathe. You look out the window. You count exactly 5 ceiling tiles like your life depends on it. That tiny pause resets your nervous system. And here's the funny part. The other person feels the silence. When someone is used to instant access to you, your silence hits different. They start overthinking. Wait, what happened? Are they busy? Did I mess up? Are they losing interest? The quiet forces them to sit with the space you never gave them before. And without saying a word, you've communicated. I value my peace more than your urgency. This is where things get beautiful. You didn't lecture. You didn't send a 14-paragraph boundary text. You didn't throw a tantrum. You simply removed unlimited access. Congratulations. You just triggered regret psychology. Now when people think of you, they don't remember the version that over-explained everything. They remember the version who suddenly carries themselves with quiet confidence. The glow-up isn't the clothes. It's not the gym. It's not a new haircut. It's the moment you say, I don't know anyone instant versions of me. And that is when people realize they lost something rare. Your absence becomes louder than your presence ever was. Quick reality check. Quiet withdrawal is not the same as silent treatment. One is self-respect. The other is manipulation. It's wrong when you use silence to punish someone, or avoid responsibility, or dodge important conversations. But it's powerful when your silence protects your peace, your time, your mental clarity, your energy. It all comes down to intention. Are you going quiet because you're scared, or because you're finally choosing yourself? So here's the mission. You're not trying to be mysterious or cold. You're simply done sprinting out of the shower like a panicked raccoon because your phone buzzed. Start practicing the pause. Protect your attention. It's the most expensive thing you own and most people don't realize it. Go quiet, recharge, and let your silence be the loudest confidence move you make this week. If this story helped you take your peace back, make sure you like, subscribe, and join the Hani Vita community. Comment below. What's one thing you're going quiet on this week? Thanks for listening. I'll see you in the next one.